In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Figma project in Behance. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go and sign into your account on Behance, and then you want to go to Share Work, top right, and then click on Project. Now, from here, you'll see, of course, you can either click on the Embed button or the Prototype button. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to click on Embed over here, and then what you have to do is paste the embed code from Figma. So to get this, you want to open your, of course, project inside Figma. So I have one over here. It's just some design I've been working on. So I can go and click on the top right where it says Share. You want to click on Get Embed Code and then copy whatever's in here. Then you want to go back in here and then paste your embed code here and click on Embed. Now it's going to take a few seconds for this to actually load in. So when this blue line reaches the end, it's going to load in. And then whenever that's done, there we go. You can just click on the Continue button over here. Then you can give it a name. I'm just going to name this one Sample 1. Of course, you can put in tags, categories, etc. And then you can just upload the cover image as well. So I'm going to upload actually this one over here. It's going to be a screenshot, and I'm going to just like zoom it in a bit. There we go. It's going to be like this. So let me zoom that in. Okay. Crop. Of course, you can do it much prettier than me. That's just a quick guide. And then here you have to fill in the info. I'm going to click on Publish. Now category is going to be required. So I'm going to have to select this right now. And there we go. You can then click on Publish, and it's going to publish your project onto your profile. If I now go to the top right, hover over my project or my profile, click on Behance profile, I'll be able to see that specific work over here, just like this, okay? So that's how to add a Figma project in Behance. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.